Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if Facebook ads are expensive on 2022. Before I analyze this further, I need to say that this is about the average account, and I have seen accounts that are selling items with $5 cost per purchase, $6, $7. There are exceptions to the rule always. We are talking about United States right now. In United States, Facebook ads are expensive right now, okay? There are for companies that they have good average order values, they are more established, they have trained pixels. It's very difficult for new pixels to start right now and have good success. The problem is that the CPMs are higher and we are having also less reporting, which means less optimization. That means that companies that they have the power, the money, the credibility, a good product and stuff, these are the companies that they are actually using now Facebook. Is the game lost? No. Facebook and Instagram is a massive platform, and of course most of the sales are coming from Instagram for the younger ages and from Facebook for the older ages, and I can tell you that it's super effective. How do I know that? Sometimes there are clients that they say that Facebook sucks. They stop doing Facebook ads and their whole business is done. Now, why is Facebook more expensive now? I can tell you that because before that, there were a lot of people that they were advertising and it was easy. Someone without knowledge could go and do ads and they could have some results because the algorithm was very good. Now we are transitioning to a game that you need an expert, someone who knows better what they are doing, and sometimes this is not even enough, okay? So I have seen businesses, I have seen their ad accounts that they were working very well before the iOS changes and the iOS came and it killed their business because the advertisement cost has risen after that point, and now the competition is fierce and you need to have a better product, better offer, better average order value. It's not enough for Facebook to bring you all of this traffic if you don't do a lot of things into your brand, in order to improve your results. Facebook is like every market. At some point it's going to be the point that the people that they cannot advertise anymore on Facebook, they are going to leave, and the people that they can, they're going to stay. This has already happened, but we can see fluctuations from time to time because people are still trying to enter the Facebook market because maybe they don't understand that it's going to be too expensive for them, or they're used to previous year's results, or they are some people that they're lying to them that they can get them the results that they want. I'm not against of them trying, but I can tell you that at some point the people are going to stop trying and they will understand that Facebook needs more than that in order for you to enter the market. And this is the point that we're going to see just a new balance on the market, okay? All the bad, I'm not going to call them bad advertisers, all the advertisers that they don't have the proper numbers to actually advertise on Facebook, they are going to leave, and the ones that they can, they're going to stay, and they're going to start competing with each other, and we will have a new balance. This new balance is not here yet, okay? We're going to see it in the next month or in the next year, that we're going to see who is going to stay and who is going to leave. Last thing, I'm having several clients, not several, I'm having some clients in Pakistan and India. Pakistan and India is now, and there are other countries I'm sure, that the CPMs are what CPMs used to be for Facebook in 2015. They're extremely low, and the cost per purchase is very low over there. And I can see that over there, for example, 1% lookalikes are working still very well because we have less people that opted out, we have better CPMs, we have a completely different market over there, which are people, maybe there are not a lot of people that they are converting, that they are actually competing with each other. On that note, I need to point also something for the people that they are doing ads for Canada. I need to mention that there is a specific area, the Quebec area, where I have seen that a lot of companies are underserving, okay, which is also a very good example. All the results that we're getting on Facebook is based on how much competition we have between each other, the advertisers and the budgets that each one of us spends on the ad accounts. That means that if you have areas like India or Pakistan that not a lot of people are doing ads, you're going to get better results. One of these situations is the Quebec area, when you're going to run ads in Canada and you're just going to run ads only in the Quebec area with a French language. I can tell you that there are a lot of companies that they have found very good sales when they were struggling in the whole Canada. So here I said it, one of my secrets for my Canada accounts, and I hope that this video is going to help you understand the current situation and why all of this is happening. I don't think that it's going to improve soon, but I think that for the companies that they have zero problems right now advertising, I have several of them, I think that these companies are going to make even more money in the long term, because right now there are still advertisers that are in the platform and they don't know that they shouldn't be advertising because their numbers don't fit the platform right now. And you know my opinion, nobody forced you to come on Facebook. So if your numbers don't add up for you to advertise, don't blame Facebook, blame your numbers or your business, or try to adapt to the situation and make it work for you, because the Facebook platform is not going to change. Maybe it's going to become even worse, but it's not going to become better or the results that we had in 2015 just because you want to advertise with $5 cost per purchase because this is sustainable for your business. Sorry, but the game has changed. It's the one and only Digo Double G. Also, the attribution model has changed from 28 days to 7 days, so forget about that. So that's all I had for you. If you like the video, hit the like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. Until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent.